Cloud Stinger by HyperX, a gaming headset with a very weird name. Cloud Stinger sounds like a name for a military fighter jet or for a gun in Call of Duty. Nevertheless, a weird name but a very cool name. The packaging isn't very premium, but at £50 you're hoping that the investment goes towards the product and not the packaging. The headset image at the front is a different texture to the white here. If you slide your finger over it, it's almost as though it's like a 3D effect, where the headset is sticking out more than this background. At the front here you've got some information. It's a lightweight headset with 90-degree rotating ear cup, signature HyperX comfort. Now I don't know what that means, but when I test the product I'm sure that I'm going to feel a difference compared to other headsets. Adjustable steel sliders. Now this headset is compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile, Nintendo Switch and VR. On this side here there's not much, it just says HyperX and at the bottom it's got their website. On the other side again it just gives you information about what it's compatible for, which we've just read. At the back you've got some information which is just repeated from what it says at the front. Now let's unbox this product. Now what you can see straight away that you're presented with the headset itself and this plastic casing that it's in. You can see the user manual from here. You've got a mic with this headset, and on both earmuffs you've got the HyperX logo, which looks really cool. I'm a really big fan of black and red. I think it looks really nice on anything, especially on these headsets. Now it's all held together with cable ties, and there's just a normal sticker here which is holding the mic in position. It is a 3.5mm jack connection. Nowadays a lot of products, they don't really come with a 3.5mm jack, they're all moving towards a USB-C. It is a lot common nowadays that this 3.5mm jack is no longer used. However, this connection is for both the mic and the headset. Here you have an extension where the 3.5mm jack will fit into this end, and then this side here it splits out into the mic and the headset. Coming back to the headset, the first thing that I've noticed straight away is very light compared to other headsets which I've seen before. This is probably the lightest one that I've seen. The feel on this is quite nice, although it is all plastic. Even over here, these padding here is nothing special. So when HyperX did say that they've got special padding, I don't think they were talking about this. Maybe they were talking about this here, because this does feel really nice. And as I push it in, I can tell that it is like a memory foam feel, which I read on the back of the box that it does have memory foam, whereas here it's not really a memory foam feel, it's just a normal feel. On the side here you've got the slider which extends the headset. You've got it on both sides, and that is made out of metal. And the mic, in terms of maneuvering, this is the most it does. This bit here for the mic, it is made out of plastic, but it's a different sort because it's easily bendable. It's really flexible without any effort, and this is very handy because when you're playing games you want the mic to be flexible, especially like this, because you want to bring it closer to your mouth or you want to take it a bit further away depending on the noise. And the volume rocker is down here. It's just a normal slider, and this here doesn't come out, it's just stuck in, so you're not able to take it out. So overall I think it is a very decent product. I mean, in terms of comfortability, I have tested it and it is a very comfortable headset, especially when you're gaming. You want something which is very comfortable, and I would recommend this for that. Now the audio on this is very good. It's definitely one of the best entry-level headsets that I've tested. Now you won't be able to experience it properly on my mic, and I would definitely recommend that you try this out because the experience for me on this was very good. So there we have it guys, that was the unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Stinger headset. Let me know what you guys think of this product in the comments if you have tested it before. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.